muffler. As you can see, there's a hole starting to come through the old exhaust. Got a brand new muffler, Flowmaster Super 10 to put on, new tips, new headers, and want to get all new exhaust done in the future. In the process of trying to take my old muffler off, and these bolts are on there pretty good. Well, there goes one bolt. Just snapped right off. Let's see if it's still in here. No, it's not. No pieces are in there. Alright guys, bolt number 2. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully the camera's showing it. Well, it seems like the bolt's stuck. But I'm sure if I turn it the other way I can snap it off. But then, of course, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the exhaust off. Alright guys, so the bolt wouldn't come off, so I just snapped it off. But it's been so many years, it actually looks like someone spot welded it a little bit for extra security. So I don't know if we're going to be able to get this muffler off without the right tools. I'm sure I could snap it off if I want, which I might end up doing. Alright guys, well it looks like it's actually loose, my muffler. So if I take the strap off that's holding that side up, I might be able to just pull this muffler and the 2 old tips just right off. A lot of nice dirt and dust coming off here. Looks like we might be getting it. It might just be turning. I don't know if it's actually coming off anymore now or not. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's coming off anymore or not. All I know is a lot of rust is dropping off from behind that bolt. Yeah, it's slowly coming, guys. As you can see, it's getting closer to coming out. It's actually extremely loose now. Hopefully it keeps threading out. Alright, we got that off. Let's push that back on there. I'll probably be getting new straps put on anyways. But alright, well, sliding out's not gonna work. Let's pause this video and well, I figure while I'm at it, I might as well do one last exhaust video. This camera probably won't pick up the sound too good, but 100% stock other than these tips that one of the owners put on. So before I actually take the muffler off, I'll do this last exhaust video. You gotta hear it's got a little tap because it's leaking out right here where we've been where I've been working on. But it doesn't sound bad for stock. Well, after much struggle, we got the muffler off. Inside is horrible. I mean, it's rust all over on the inside, but let's do a video and see how it sounds without any muffler. Alright guys, now I'm just gonna lay or set my Flowmaster Super 10. Hopefully it can fit in the hole. Where I just knocked out, it looks like it's big enough. Well, definitely big enough. Probably gonna get air escaping through here, but at least we can kind of hear what it sounds like. Headers yet to be installed. Thank you guys for watching. Sponsored by Flowmasters, where performance meets the perfect sound. Just kidding. Sponsored by my own wallet.